Here is a wonderful 2013 Kia Rio. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Get the modern features you're looking for at an excellent value in this streamlined Rio. This comfortable subcompact delivers sprightly performance, connective infotainment, a refined interior, and stylish practicality. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, MP3 player, trip computer. Quality, comfort, and practicality come together beautifully in this handy Rio. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.